SEO or search engine optimization. What is it? How should I learn it? If you have a website or a blog but you are not driving traffic to it, or even if you have a YouTube channel but are struggling to get the views, then SEO will help you drive free traffic to your YouTube channel or your blog. I am driving over 1 million visitors or 10 lakh people to my website every month, and 90% of this traffic is free and is coming from SEO. So if you also want such kind of traffic for your blog or website, then make sure you watch this video till the end, because I will be sharing all the tips, tricks and strategies that I have learned over 7 years of doing SEO for my websites. This video is lesson 7 of our affiliate marketing mastery course, where I show you how to scale an Amazon affiliate website from $0 to $1,000 per month. Click on the I button here to watch all the videos of this free playlist. You should also follow me on Instagram. My username is DMAnkur. I take live sessions almost every alternate day where I answer all your questions, so make sure you follow me. I also created a step-by-step comprehensive checklist on how you can increase the traffic towards your blog from 0 to 5,000 visitors per day. If you want this checklist, all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to our channel and comment with "Yes, I want it." Once we hit 1,000 likes, subscribers and comments on this video, I'll make the link of this checklist public in the description section of this video. So now let's talk about SEO. What is SEO? So let's say you write a new article in your website. To drive traffic or to promote your article, there are 3 options. The first option is that you can promote the link of this article on Facebook wall or in Facebook groups or in the link section of your Instagram bio. Now, since majority of you don't have thousands of people who are following you, so the maximum number of people who might visit your article will be somewhere close to 100 or 200. Now, the second option is that you can run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads and drive traffic towards your article. But in this case, if you're not selling a product or a service and driving traffic only towards your article, then you won't be able to do it profitably. The last and the most profitable traffic source is organic traffic. The traffic that is coming from search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. So the whole process of SEO is about getting your articles or your website ranked number 1 for your target keywords on the Google search results. I'm only talking about Google and not about the other search engines like Yahoo or Bing. This is because Google dominates the search engine market. You only have to focus on Google. Once you rank number 1 for your target keyword, you will start driving free traffic towards your website or your article. It will be more beneficial for you if I don't talk more about theory but rather show you everything. So let's go into my laptop screen. And if you watch this video till the end, I can guarantee you that you will know more about SEO than 99% of SEO experts out there in the market.
So whenever I'm talking about SEO, I'm primarily talking only about Google because Google has 90% of the search engine space. As you can see that Bing has only 2.45% of the search engine space and Yahoo 1.82. So primarily whenever we are talking about search engine optimization or SEO, we are targeting only Google because that's the dominant player in the market. So for the people who are total beginners who don't know what SEO is, whenever you're searching for a keyword here like best washing machine in India, so these are the listings, right? So the process of SEO or search engine optimization is all about getting your article in the number 1, 2 or 3 position. The reason we want to get into the top position is because majority of the click rate comes into the first 3 results. So has there been any time whenever you're searching for a particular keyword, it could be anything like best movies in India, etc, etc. Have you ever gone to the second page? I have done the advanced settings where I am showing 100 results per search result page, but majority people have 10 results on the search result page. So have you ever been to the second page or the third page? And even if you have been, then the percentage of people who are actually visiting the second page is very, very low. So the ultimate goal of the website is to get to the first result for their target keyword. I'll show you this with one more example. I have opened my Ahrefs and using the same keyword best washing machine in India. If you'll go to the search result page here, so the first website that is ranking number 1 bijlibachao.com, you can see that it is driving 15,000 of SEO traffic for its target keyword. And similarly, the website on the second ranking is driving 12,000 and the website on the third ranking is driving only 4,000. So if you're a number 1 ranking and if you're a number 3 ranking, there's a huge shift of the amount of traffic you'll be driving to your website. This is the reason why everyone is targeting the number 1 position. Since number 1 ranking is so important for any website, this is the reason why SEO is so competitive. Now the website who is ranking number 1 gets the most traffic and hence the most profit. And since this video is part of our affiliate marketing mastery course, your target should be to rank number 1 so that you can drive maximum traffic to your website and hence make more money by selling more products on Amazon. So now whenever we are talking about ranking number 1, there are 200 plus factors that make up the entire process of getting your website ranked on number 1 for your target keywords. Now if I'll be talking about all the 200 factors, then this video will easily extend to 3 to 4 hours. So I'll be talking only about the most important factors that makes the significant impact on your ranking. But before talking about that, let's talk about the types of SEO. Primarily, there are four types of SEO: white hat, black hat, gray hat, and negative SEO. Now, white hat SEO is what I recommend and what I use. White hat SEO covers all the techniques that you can implement on your website so that your website gets onto the number one position, and white hat SEO is what is recommended by Google to do. We compare white hat SEO with black hat SEO. So black hat SEO contains all the techniques that are negative, that are shady, and does not comply with the search engine guidelines. And white hat SEO is what complies with the search engine guidelines. So let's say you write an article that is really amazing, really comprehensive, and it completes the user intent. And let's say a particular magazine really likes your article and it features your article and it mentions your article in their article. So this creates a backlink for your article. Now this is the white hat SEO because this is done naturally. You're not using a shady technique or any kind of link buying, etc. etc. We'll be talking more about white hat SEO techniques later. I have created a comprehensive video on how to create backlinks for your affiliate website. So you can watch it in our affiliate marketing mastery playlist. In this video, I'll be talking more about the on-page factors on how you can get your website ranked number one even without backlinks. So make sure you watch this video till the end. The gray hat SEO is in the middle of white hat and black hat SEO. I don't even recommend gray hat as well. And negative SEO is whenever one of your competitor builds Viagra or porn links to your website so that your website gives you a penalty. So this is what negative SEO is. We won't be talking much about negative SEO. Rather, I'll be giving you the best recommendation on how to get your website number one using just the on-page factors alone. If you have seen my video on how to start an affiliate website in this affiliate marketing playlist, then you know that I created a dummy website called bestdslr.in. And if I check its speed from Asia server and start the test, you can see for yourself that my website is loading in only 1.77 seconds. So if your website is loading under 2 seconds, that is what is recommended. And also I'm using a very lightweight theme called GeneratePress. If you want this paid theme and paid plugin for free, then watch my video on how to start an affiliate website in my affiliate marketing mastery course. So to make your website load faster will really help you in getting your article number one ranked. The next step is keyword research. So whenever you are searching for anything on Google search engine like best washing machine in India in this case, so this becomes a keyword. Now whenever you're writing an article, you need to do a thorough keyword research. Like I am using Ahrefs here as I showed you by adding the number one result for my target keyword here in Site Explorer region. And clicking here on the organic keywords, I can find all the keywords for which this article is ranking and also the position associated with it. Like for best washing machine in India, it is ranking number 1, best washing machine ranking 3, and also the search volume of the keyword. Now, since Ahrefs is a paid tool, you can also use Uber Suggest by Neil Patel. It's a free tool and it also gives the almost similar data. So once you add the domain name, go to the top pages. Here you can see the article best washing machine in India. Click here on view all. And you'll be able to see all the keywords for which this article is ranking. Now, Ahrefs is paid tool. You'll have to pay money for this, but Uber Suggest is a free tool. So here you can also export the keyword list here by export to CSV and download it for yourself. Now, many of the YouTubers I've seen that they recommend so many different softwares and various other tools to find the keywords. But honestly, keyword research is not that complicated. It's very simple. All you have to do is whatever article you're writing, maybe you're writing an article, let's say best places in India. Okay, so just search for it. All you have to do is search for it. Take the first article, whatever is ranking on Google search engine, copy the URL, go to Uber Suggest or Ahrefs. If you're using Ahrefs, go to Site Explorer, paste and enter. If you're using Uber Suggest free tool, go to Uber Suggest, enter the domain name, make sure you select the country for which you're targeting, click on search. With Ahrefs, it's a one-step process because you'll like here you can see all the keywords for which this article is ranking. I can get the keywords. I can also export it. But for Uber Suggest, you'll have to first go to the top pages. Then you can find the article, whichever the article is that you were looking for, and click here on the view all button and download the keywords. I also created a very comprehensive video on keyword research in this affiliate marketing mastery course. I'll add the link in the description. All the links that I'm mentioning here in the video, everything is in the description section of this video, guys. So make sure you check the description section. So whatever keyword you are targeting, make sure the difficulty is less. So like if you're using Uber Suggest, you can see the SEO difficulty here like 35-43. So anything below 30 is good for a person who is single-handedly managing the website. If you already have a SEO team in your company, if you're working for a company, then you can even go for higher difficulty like 45 or 55, 65, etc. If you're using Ahrefs, again, the keyword difficulty metric here is different from Uber Suggest. So anything less than 20 is good for you. So you don't have to worry much about it because you can single-handedly get that article ranked. But anything about 20, you will need a SEO team, or if you're doing it everything by yourself, then you'll have to wait for a longer time because beating that competition will be much more difficult. After selecting the keyword, the other important metric is how amazing your article is. Like here I search for best washing machine in India. So if you'll open the first link here, the first search result, you will see that this article is very comprehensive. Just looking at the table of content, you'll see that they have recommended the top 5 models. They have also written a very comprehensive buyer's guide. So if I am searching for best washing machine in India, then probably I'm looking for a washing machine, right? So I need more information. So when I come to this article, I can see that I can see all the recommended washing machine, their features, their pros, cons, specs, etc. With their images, and also the link on Amazon if I want to buy them. It also has a very comprehensive buying guide, fully automatic versus semi-automatic, front load versus top load. So if I'm looking to buy a washing machine, all the doubts are covered in this article. So if I'm spending more time on this article, so this reflects a very good metric in the eyes of Google. Okay, someone who searched for this keyword spent a lot of time on this article, then definitely I must be liking the article, and hence I will promote. The other important metric for SEO is writing an amazing meta title. So as you can see here, like if you're searching for best washing machine in India, let's say if you're ranking number 4 here, okay, but you have an amazing meta title that is click worthy. So let's say this particular result number 3 has 5 backlinks and you have 2 backlinks. But if Google sees that majority of the people clicks on the number 4 result and end up spending a lot of time on your article, then Google will think, okay, that this particular result might have fewer backlinks, but people are liking it. And hence it will promote your article to a better position even without the backlinks. So now we can see that there is a general trend of that it's a listicle article that you'll have to write a top 10 type article. Here this person has also added the year. By adding the year, it has been seen that the CTR increases because people want the latest information. What other thing that you can do is, if you have seen our video on the SEO friendly article, I'll add the link to that video in the description section of this video. I also mentioned that you can also write the month. Like here, if you can add like let's say if the month is April right now, so you can also say April 2019. This will give the idea to the person who's searching that okay, this article is the latest article, and the chances of that person clicking on your article will be higher. Similarly, you can do the same things for your meta description as well. Like creating click-worthy titles and creating click-worthy meta description will really help you get to the number 1 position. So make sure your title is very enticing, make sure your title is very click-worthy, because if you can increase the CTR of your title, then you will be able to rank on your target keywords even with fewer backlinks. If you'll search for let's say coupon, usually whenever you're searching for coupons, you will see that majority of the results have the month and the year. And this is because all of these websites know that by adding the month and the year in the meta title, the CTR will increase. This is the reason that you will see that almost all the websites are using this technique. Like here in Coupon Dunia, you can also see free delivery. This will again give one more reason for the person who's searching for this keyword to click on this link. Okay, so the meta title is something that you'll have to keep changing and varying on a weekly basis and see which one is giving you the best result and which one is giving you the best CTR. Like look at this particular result. Like if you're searching for Swiggy coupon, look at the result here, Swiggy coupons and offers. So he has targeted the main keyword here. Apart from that, he has also written free delivery, and he has also mentioned 50% off promo code. Now who doesn't want a 50% off promo code, right? So creating a very enticing title will really help you in increasing the CTR and hence getting your articles ranked. But then again, you'll have to make sure if someone is clicking here and going to your article, he must also get whatever you're offering in the meta title, because otherwise he'll just hit the back button and he'll go to the next result. And this, instead of helping your website, will rather give you a negative SEO. And let's say someone clicks the back button and clicks on the second result. Instead of going to your website, he went to the second result. So instead of helping your website, this will hurt your website more. So make sure whatever you're offering in the meta title is also delivered in the article content. So look at the various titles for various other keywords, not just best washing machine. You can also add various other categories like best DSLR, best mobile phone, and look at the theme of the meta title that these websites have, and then try to vary your meta title. Apart from that, you should also do a very comprehensive SEO audit of your website. So SEO audit is all about giving you the technical difficulty that your website has. So maybe some of the images are not compressed, or maybe you have a broken link. So all the list of all the problems with your website will be given to you by a SEO audit. Ahref is the tool that I use for my SEO audit for all the affiliate website. But if you are not willing to pay for Ahref, so there's this other tool called Screaming Frog. It also has a free version versus paid version. You can use the free version also to do the SEO audit. I know SEO audit is a very complex and a very advanced step when we talk about SEO, but for all the people who are experienced in SEO and who are watching this video, they can do their SEO audit here. So this will tell you all about the technical difficulty of your, maybe some internal link issue, some meta description issue or content length. This will give you a comprehensive overview of your SEO of your website. Apart from that, I also mentioned this in the various other videos of my channel that you should always compress the images that you're adding to your website. So whatever images that you're adding to your website, make sure you first upload it to this website, compressjpeg.com. Upload the image and this will give you a compressed version, and then always upload the compressed version of your image to the website, because you would want your website to load at a lightning fast speed. So make sure your website is not heavy with content or heavy with the videos. Since you're creating an affiliate website, there'll be a lot of images, like this person has added all these images, right? When in your article, you'll be adding a lot of images. If you're writing a top 10 article, then you'll be adding at least 10 images of the product that you're recommending. So make sure you compress all the images using the compressed JPEG website. So if you're following all the videos of our affiliate marketing mastery course, then you know that there are various things that really matter to the overall SEO of your website. First is the niche, that you have to go into a particular niche where the competition is low. Second is the keyword research. You have to find the right keywords which has low competition and high profitability. I have already discussed all of this in the various other videos of this playlist. I'll be linking all the video links in the description section of this video. Apart from that, the on-page SEO, make sure your website is extremely fast. Make sure you're writing SEO friendly articles. I also have a video for that. So if you're following our entire playlist, you won't have any issue. And as for the backlinks, how to create the backlinks, I have created a very comprehensive video for that as well in this playlist. So make sure you also check that out.
So what are your next steps? Click here to watch the next lesson, and click here if you want to watch a complete affiliate marketing mastery course where I show you how to scale a website from $0 to $1,000 per month.